Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping in Shopify. So first of all, you have to be logged into your admin panel, then click on settings, then look for shipping and delivery, then click on manage rates. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see there, in my case for example, there are several regions. Like I can ship to Canada, cross border, which is United States, and rest of the world. So in my case, for this video purposes, I would like to create free shipping on all Canadian orders over $75 and all American orders over $100, since they're all shipped from Canada. So how do I go about it? Basically, let's do Canada first. Currently, we have a standard shipping, which is from if the order value is between $0 and $74.99. The flat rate shipping is $9.99. Let's add free shipping over $75. So once we click add rate, look for set up your own rates, and then in the shipping speed, just press custom flat rate. For the rate name, we'll just say free shipping. And if you're using a particular shipping method to ship your product, for example, expedited shipping or priority express shipping, you can also make a note here, for example, priority. For the price, it's $0 because it's free, and then click on add conditions. There is two conditions you can add. It's either by weight or by price. Mostly, if it's free shipping over a certain amount, you want to make sure to add it, to set it by price. And we'll add minimum price of $75 and maximum price, there's no limit. We'll just leave it blank and click done. So we just set up free shipping priority for all Canadian orders over $75 set for free. Same thing has to be done for US orders, and let's just do it. Set up on rates, custom, free shipping, price 0, add conditions, order by price, $100 minimum, maximum there's no limit, done. So we just set up the free shipping for United States, and same idea applies if you want to add for the rest of the world. Now just press save, and it should be saved in a moment. So it's done. So right now, if a customer goes on the website from Canada and their order value before taxes is greater than $74.99 or $75 plus, they're gonna get free shipping. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you like other videos with respect to Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.